Right, so adding the doorbell. This is always the fun part. So I like the doorbells that have got a little connector that you can put into the plug, and then you have a button, okay? Because then you can use this when it's turned on as a training tool. So you don't need to connect it to the door first. You can do all your training away from the doorbell. So first of all, you're going to plug the doorbell in. Good girl. Now, good girl. Right, so now the doorbell makes a noise and the dog hears. Good girl. And all you're going to do is pair that with your mat. So you're going to go, mat. Yes, good girl. Very good. The doorbell's in a different place, so that's why she's having a bit of a weird reaction to why is it in my room. Go. Very good. Mat. Good. Lovely. Good girl. Good. Mat. Good. Very good. Good. Go. Cheeky. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Very good. So I didn't even need my verbal then. Good girl, Maddie. Go. Now I'm not asking her to lie down yet because I've lowered my criteria because I've added another bit. It's there, Maddie. Mat. I'm going to wait for her to down. Good girl. Very good. Good girl, Maddie. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Go. Now she's predicting me now, so I just do some more tricks so it sends her off. Good girl. Good. Good. Mat. Good. Very good. Good girl. Very good. Good. Go. Good. Very nice. Good girl. Oh, mat, mat. Good. Lovely. Good girl. Very good. Go. Oh, very good. Very good. You turn. Oh, mat, mat. Good. Very good. Good girl. Go. Very good. Mat, mat. Good. Lovely. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Good. Go. Very good girl. Sit. Come on. Cheeky. Good. Yeah, good girl. Can you sit? Paw. Good. Other paw. Good girl. Lie down. Good girl. Quick, mat. Yeah, good girl. Very good. Good girl. Go. Very good. Mat. Good. Lovely. Good girl. Oh. Yeah, good girl. Go. Lie down. Good. Lovely. Good girl. Turn. Turn. Yeah, good girl. Can you touch? Touch. Yes, good girl. Can you sit? Hi. Very good. Think about it. Yes, good girl. Go on. Good girl. Very good. Go. Very good girl. So that was her working without a verbal. Good. Good girl. Very good. And it's important to let your dog have a little think about it instead of just jumping in and going mat, mat, mat. Let them figure it out for themselves. Go. Turn. Yeah, very good. Yes, good girl. Very good. Good. Go. Yeah, turn. Yes, good girl. No, try again. Try again. Yes, good girl. Very good. Good. Go. Try again. No, it's not the button. Think about it. You do math. Very good, girl. Very good. Go. Yes, good girl. Very good. Lie down. Good. Go. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Very good girl. Very good. Good. Lovely. Good, very good. Good. Go. The other way. Yes, good girl. Very good. Lovely, good girl.